Geniatech was founded in 2004, headquartered in Shenzhen, China, with branches in USA, Germany, Taiwan, China, and Hong Kong, China. Geniatech has supplied products and services to more than 2,000 professional customers in more than 100 countries around the world. We offer a diverse catalog of products, including ARM-based SOMs and single-board computers, ARM Industrial PC, Industrial IoT gateways, e-ink tablets, touch panel PCs, Android TV boxes, digital TV tuners, and video capture devices. Geniatech has 20-plus years of R&D experience in ARM embedded industry, 50-plus experienced hardware and software R&D engineers, and its own production plant in Hefei that has passed ISO 9001, ISO 14001, IATF 16969 Management System certification. We can provide a full range of one-stop customization services, from hardware customization, software development, to manufacturing. Help you significantly reduce development costs and design risks, greatly shorten the product launch cycle, and quickly seize the market opportunities. We welcome ODM and OEM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your specific application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We look forward to the opportunity to serve your unique needs and contribute to your success. We warmly welcome customers to establish cooperation and create a bright future with us together.